Going back as far as the civil rights movement, the encounters with law enforcement have been well documented. You go back to Alabama, you go back to Rodney King, fast forward to today, and now you have names like Walter Scott, Tamir Rice, Mike Brown, that are telling you that once again, the ability of having video is so important. Today, most people have cell phones. Most people have the ability that when these encounters happen, that someone, somewhere, will have a record of the interaction. Well now, today we're announcing to you the Legal Equalizer app. Legal Equalizer is an app aimed at promoting positive police interactions through a more legally informed citizenry. Okay, let's go to the Legal Equalizer CEO, Mbai Njai, so he can explain to us all about the app.
What the app does is when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is going to have two buttons on the app. It's going to be a record and an SOS button. When you hit that SOS button, it's going to send a text message to 3 people that you pick ahead of time. Lets them know that you're in encounter with a law enforcement officer, and lets them know your location. And if they don't hear from you, go ahead and call that local police department to see what's going on with you. Second thing it does is if you swipe it to the right, it's going to give you your laws, what to do in interaction with the police, also your First Amendment rights, your Fourth Amendment rights, your Fifth Amendment rights, things that everybody in this country should know, that they're legally entitled to know, and things that will dictate how that interaction with the officer goes based on how well you know your rights. Third thing is it's going to record the entire interaction from your perspective, your point of view. Now, the important thing about the app is once that recording is done, it's now going to go ahead and send a copy of that recording to those same 3 people that got that text message. So people that care about you, love you, that you trust enough to give them that kind of information will now have a copy of that video and know exactly why you were arrested or exactly what happened in your interaction with that law enforcement officer.
Thanks to the Legal Equalizer app, we'll do what we're all trying to do. Because at the end of the day, whether you're a citizen or law enforcement, we all just want to go home.
Remember, when you're stopped by law enforcement, use the Legal Equalizer app to capture the entire interaction, know your rights, and to make sure your loved ones know where you are. Download it now from the Apple or Google Play Store today. It just might save your life.